human eye and colorful world. So here we have the two types of vision defects, myopia and hypermetropia. So here myopia is a nearsightedness. Myopia is a nearsightedness. Hypermetropia is a farsightedness. In this myopia, this is eye lens, this is eyeball. Eyeball is here adjusted the lens, that is convex lens is used in that eyeball. This is retina. This end part of the round circle is retina. By using the concave lens, myopia person, actually myopia person is a sight, it is a defect of vision. A person can see the nearer objects, but he can't see the distant objects. They suffer from the vision. Distant object he could not see. So for this he used the concave lens before in front of the eyeball, eye spectacles, goggles. Used the concave lens. You can adjust the concave lens. They can see the distant objects clearly. This is the diagram, and before using the concave lens of the person, they by seeing the objects, he could not identify the objects, and by seeing the objects, uh, all the light rays coming out of the eyeball, in front of the eyeball, in front of the eyes, all the light rays coming and points falls on the in front of the retina. So this is the vision defect. This vision defect can be corrected by the concave lens. We can adjust the concave lens. We can be able to see the objects clearly. Next, hypermetropia. Hypermetropia is a farsightedness. This is the vision defect is farsightedness. Farsightedness means the person can see the distant objects, but he could not see the near objects. Myopia, nearsightedness. Hypermetropia, farsightedness. The person is able to see the nearer objects.